Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Rosan Adams. Call me MumRossan. I'm new and new YouTubers. I would like to introduce myself. I never introduced for my first video, but uh, like to. Okay. Hello everyone, good evening. I want to introduce myself. I'm Rosan Adams. Call me MumRossan. Um, uh, I want to say thank you. Thank you very much for who subscribes my video and watching my videos. But some video, I do my best to improve my channel on it. And without you, uh, it's very hard to do it. But thank you for trusting me, um, and subscribe my video. If you notice to me, sometimes I'm juggling my words and shaking my head. That's due because of I have Parkinson disease, and I hope you understand that. But I do my best to talk properly and that you can understand me. Okay. Okay. I always add now because I'm a bit nervous now. I have three children. Um, Three children and three grandson, and my daughter have due on December, and my first granddaughter's coming in December, and I'm so excited to see her and welcome in this world. Uh, the reason why I do some blogging and do the YouTube's in it, because I want to help people to share my knowledge on it, because I love DIY, gardening, cooking, cleaning the house, and shopping, clothing, and makeup a little bit, some sorts of something like that. But DIY, I can help you to the best of that, especially this coming Christmas. I have a lot to prepare the DIY, the cheap value to make a decoration for Christmas. Like I said in my last video, I'm gonna do my cleanup to my dressing table. So messy, so really messy. I'm starting to clean up now. Actually, I just wanna clean a little bit now, and then all my makeup is in a bed. In my bed. Like I said, once more again, I very thank you to you people subscribe my video, that trusting me to improve my video. Okay, I don't know what to say now. I got lost now. It's a take 2 already done to my video. Okay, I hope you understand me. I have Parkinson disease. I'm repeating myself now. Okay, I'll be back. I'll be back as soon as I finish my cleaning my dressing table. Okay, thank you very much, and I'll be back. Kaya umpisa na natin maglinis. Start cleaning. Sobrang gulo. Kita niyo ba ako? You see me? Gulo masyado. Bilis tayo. Lagyan muna natin sa mga kama. Gusto natin maglinis. Nga pala, nakabili ko ng sa Kmart din. Kmart, yeah, it's Kmart organizers for the makeups. It's in Kmart. Lalagyan natin dito. We're gonna put in here. I bought them. Hang on. Deluxe makeup. Sa Reject Shop lang ito. In Reject Shop. Ito. Reject Shop. The Make Mirror. Daming kalat. So, this lightening, you can see the lightening, my lightening. I said it was in my previous nyo ba? It's lightening. Di ba? It's lightening. For the, ano, ang get it one in Oxbury Facebook garage, like a garage sale na Facebook things. Paano pa itong pisa? So may kalat, so may messy. Pisa na natin. Linis. Makeup, brushes, everything. Itong navigator ko hindi ko nagagamit. Never use it yet. I have navigator. Okay. I'll be back. Facebook friends. YouTube friends. Hang on. Pabalikan ko kayo. I come back for it when I finish this cleanup. Para tayo makagawa. Can do something, okay? I'll be back. Hello everyone. Finally finished cleaning my dressing table. Dressing table is done. The makeup has been arranged in there. I've been arranged there. I perfume in that corner. My light in there. Corner there. Clean up already in my chair. Okay. And by the way, thank you for watching me. My video on it. And my YouTube channel on it. Thank you for supporting my video. And if you really like my video, please subscribe and like it and share it. Thank you again. Thank you very much. See you to my next video. Bye bye for now. I love you all. Bye bye. Hello. Sorry, I have a backup few minutes video. I said goodbye already before, but this is my art room, isn't it? It's still a bit messy. We're gonna come over here next following weeks on it to do some DIY. That's a promise to you. This one, I'll have a quick look in here. This one's my. So we're gonna do to the Christmas decoration. DIY Christmas decoration next following days. And this one I'm gonna use it for my granddaughter's hair clips on it. You see how they come up. My granddaughter's hair clip. You see what they come up on it. This is my art things, all my crafts stuff on it. I'm doing some candle here. I'll explain to you everything in the next following days or following videos on it. Next following video, we're gonna do some DIY. Okay, so bye for now again. See you next my video. Bye bye. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, like and subscribe and share it. Thank you very much. See you again. I love you all. Bye bye. This is MumRossan. Bye bye. See you next following. Bye bye.